Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, today's recipe is not a classic. It's a new age delicacy. This is Kathal Champaran style. Let's begin. Kathal, for the uninitiated, is raw jackfruit. Raw jackfruit, of course, is in season. It's a summer fruit. If you cannot lay your hands on that, you can try different fruits, but trust me, jackfruit is going to be cutting edge. I've already cut it, processed it, kept it ready. Now I'm going to treat this recipe like a Champaran style curry. It's as simple as mixing everything together, almost a one-pot recipe, transferring all of this into a pressure cooker, couple of whistles, and there you go. Let's begin with slicing red onions. Let's transfer this in a deep bowl in which, of course, we're going to crush this with our fingers. Once this is crushed and ready, let's add in the rest of the ingredients. Beginning with red chili powder. This is a chili that gives you color and spice. Moving up, turmeric powder. Home ground Garam Masala powder. Along with this, cumin seeds. Couple of star anise, sticks of cinnamon, or 2 in this case, paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies, couple of dried red chilies with the stalks on, not a problem at all. Let's add in salt and mix this in. Now, when it comes to Champaran, a couple of things are extremely important. One is, of course, this onion mixture. Now, the question here is how many onions to the protein or to the core ingredient. Now, if the core ingredient, suppose, is a kilo, then the onions literally are 750 grams. That kind of a ratio and proportion. Now, another important ingredient in this recipe is the mustard oil. Use mustard oil of good quality. It should be kachi ghani to begin with or cold pressed, and that adds a lot of value to this recipe. The third ingredient that again is very important is the quality of garlic that you use in this recipe, because this recipe uses whole pods of garlic. Let's now begin with sauteing the jackfruit to begin with. Now, traditionally, the core ingredient is not sauteed, but because this is jackfruit, I'm just kind of treating it a little differently. But otherwise, what you can do is mix everything here together, put it in a pot, cover it, put some atta and keep it on dum for 45 minutes. And then, of course, we look into it. But in this case, I'm going to pressure cook the recipe. Let's begin with mustard oil. Once the mustard oil heats up, I'm going to very carefully drop in the pieces of raw jackfruit. Let's fry the jackfruit on high flame till it's golden brown in color. And after that, we'll add in the onion mixture. Once the jackfruit turns golden brown in color, I'm going to add in the onion mixture. In this bowl, I'm going to add in a cup full of water to ensure that we draw in all the spices. Let's transfer this into the pressure cooker. And along with this, the pods of garlic. Let's stir this well. Ensure all of this is mixed very well, because the next that we're going to do is cover this and pressure cook this. 3 whistles, medium flame, and then you just lower the flame and allow this to further cook for 20 minutes. Let's do that. Three whistles, and we allow this to set completely undisturbed for 20 minutes. Once that happens, we'll stir this and do a quick check. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, raw jackfruit Champaran style is done and ready. Wait for nothing and no one on the planet. Take this, serve it in a bowl immediately with some parathas or with steaming hot rice, and see how your family smiles back at you. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.